Alright, in this video, I'm going to try to see if I can get the right side to equal the left side, or the left side to equal the right side. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. I can try to make the right side and simplify it, make it equal the right side. Let's see how that works. Because some of you guys may not know that cosine squared equals 1 plus cosine of 2 theta divided by 2. Okay, let's start. This is good to watch for both pre-calc, regular pre-calc and honors pre-calc. So 1 plus, now the cosine 2 theta, I'm going to write them as the sum of two angles. Okay, I'm going to go with that for now. Now divide by 2. Now this divide by 2 here, I can just cross multiply it because I had a 1 here. So if I take this 2 and multiply in front of my cosine square, it would look like that. Okay. Now I'm going to erase this here because you saw what happened already. All right, so I got 1 here. That's going to stand by itself. Plus, now cosine of an angle plus another angle, if you recall that formula, was I think it was one that looks like this. That's alpha and beta, A and B. So it'd be cosine alpha, so cosine of the first one times the cosine of the second one minus, right, sine of the first one, which is the alpha, times the sine of the second one, which is the beta. So now you got there you go. Almost messed it up, right? So now when you write them over here, since your alpha and beta is the same, you're gonna end up with cosine of the first angle times another cosine of the second angle, which is the same angle. So two angles, two cosine times together, you'll get cosine squared because it's timing. All right, so now I'm out to the minus here. So minus, I did the cosine of the first angle times cosine of the second angle. Now this time it's going to be sine of the first angle, which is the theta, times the sine of the second angle. It's also my theta again. So those two will be sine squared. All right. So now the trick is I want to see at the end if my left side and right side are equal to each other. So here's one I can do. Since I see a cosine, this is the only thing that stops me from making it sure that it looks like a cosine. So this is one of the famous property, the Pythagorean theorem. All right. So now with this job here, I have to get, so cosine squared plus sine squared equals 1. What I need to do is I want to replace the sine. So that means you're going to keep the sine by itself and subtract away your cosine squared. So your sine squared must equals to 1 minus cosine squared. We have done that so many times, I think. Okay. So this is going to be replaced with this. So that's my next step, next move. Oops, I'm watching my camera and the screen at the same time. All right, so that's going to go right here. Watch out for the minus. So you got 1 plus cosine squared minus 1 minus cosine squared. Right? You can distribute the negative in here, so that would look like this. You can probably see the end now. Right? So when I see a 1 minus a 1, 0. They cross each other out. So now you get cosine squared plus another cosine squared. you ended up with 2 cosine squared of 1 theta. So now this side here does equal to that side. Okay, so that piece would probably be a very fine piece. Hope you enjoy the video. Go back and watch it if you missed any part.